Hello creators. In this video, we will talk about how you can use the law of attraction to predict your future. If you were given the option to see your future 10 years from now, would you? Many of us have thought about this question before, and the idea of seeing your future could be an exciting experience or a fearful one, depending on you, the observer. Ideally, you should be excited for your future, as the future can hold the fruition and realization of your dreams. The reason we may be fearful of the future, though, is that we are afraid that our dreams may not come true and that we will not get what we want. So the question now is, how do you predict the future? Well, the easiest answer is that the future isn't so much predicted as it is created. We have discussed in past videos that the law of attraction will deliver to you what you hold your attention to. Whatever you think about with belief and emotion predominantly will manifest itself into your life. You become what you think about. Therefore, you don't predict your future. Rather, you create it with the images you hold in your mind and the feelings you feel. In a previous video, the third step of using the law of attraction involves taking action to create something in order to activate the law of attraction. This means that you can predict the future by the actions you take each and every day. When you think about something that you want to achieve in life with the proper mindset, you will be motivated to take action and do something to bring you one step closer to that goal. For example, if you want to have your ideal physique in the future, you can predict that you will get it by taking action each and every day, by eating right and doing the right exercises. Another example would be that if you have a dollar amount that you want to be earning each month from an online business, you can predict that you will be making that amount by the actions you take each day that build that business, whether it be sending emails, writing business plans, or creating content. So as long as you are taking steps each day towards achieving your goal, you will be holding your attention to that goal. And the more you hold your attention to something, the law of attraction dictates that you will get whatever it is you are holding your attention to, and that you back that attention up with belief and strong emotions. So, as we can see, you can predict the future simply by creating it. The more you practice this method and form it into a habit, you will become a master of predicting your own future. I hope that you learned something new and valuable from this video, or that it reinforced something you already heard. If you'd like to learn more about the law of attraction, go to www.lawofattractioncreator.com. Also, you can get our free ebook, The Law of Attraction in 3 Simple Steps. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more Law of Attraction content.